Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Windscribe account in 2026. If you want to start using Windscribe VPN for secure and private browsing, this guide will walk you through the account creation process step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the official Windscribe website. Next, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button on the homepage. Now choose a unique username for your new Windscribe account. Next, create a strong password using a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Now, if you'd like, enter an email address. Adding an email is recommended because it helps with account recovery and important notifications. Next, complete any verification step if you're prompted to confirm that you're not a robot. Now click the Create Account button and wait a few moments while your account is created. Next, sign in to your new Windscribe account using your username and password. Now download and install the Windscribe app on your computer or mobile device if you haven't already. Finally, open the app, log in with your new account, and connect to a VPN server to start browsing securely. And that's it. You've successfully created a Windscribe account. You're now ready to enjoy a safer and more private internet experience. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.